The following contest is scheduled for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, the ReduX. And his opponent.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I thought that before I start this contest, I have to address something that happened during the week. I had some very harsh words for our XCW state champion, and I just thought I'd issue a formal apology to the people of Ballarat and the general public of the state, that I'm really sorry that you have to be represented by a guy like Switchblade. I'm really sorry that I'm going to whoop his ass in the middle of that ring. And I'm especially sorry, I'm sorry that you have to witness what's going to happen for the next 15 minutes.
Strong words from ReduX. And his opponent. He's the ratings XCW state champion. The self-proclaimed best in the universe. Hashtag champ, Switchblade.
The bell hasn't come yet.
Is he wearing one of them special invisible belts? A non. I completely agree. Where's your belt, champ?
Where's your bell? Where's your bell? Where's your bell?
You might have something to say. Ready? You might have something to say.
Ready?
No? No? Keep got your tongue, or you got to save it for later?
Ring the bell.
Ding, ding, ding. This is a non-title match.
You've given me shit for the past 6 months.
And an aggressive start by Switchblade, who's known for his... He just pounding the crap out of him on the outside. Ref should be counting.
1, 2.
Is that a low blow? Was that a low blow?
One. Back in the ring. 2. 3. Back in the ring.
This is
4. Back in the ring.
Switchblade's first match since winning the state championship. Dux, who recently returned from a long hiatus a few months ago. He's been on the roll. Hashtag he did it.
Back in the ring. 3. 4. Back in the ring.
You want this? Oh, it looks like Switchblade with an elbow to the head.
Break it up, back.
You want this? It looks like Dooksy keeps asking him if he wants it. It looks like he does.
Back in the ring. Back in the ring.
A referee making sure that it's...
This is what a ref's supposed to do. Take control of the match.
Oh, what a close.
Assert his authority when he's needed.
I think we need to put this guy on the permanent table.
Oh, he went for the headbutt. He got his knee.
What? He's got him in the arm.
He's got him in an armbar. What's he got?
Modified arm.
He's got him in a modified triangle choke.
Alright.
Demo.
Is he going to tap? Is he going to tap?
That's an official tap.
Dooksy rakes the eyes to get free. That was sort of a missed kick by Switchblade. We see where he gets his man Crackblade. That butt crack. And Jason X was right in that aspect.
Oh, wait.
He got it.
That's it.
That's it. This has got to be. He's not in the ring. Hard to pin him when he's not in the ring.
But can Switchblade get him in the ring? That's the thing. Not any detriment to Switchblade. But no,
Low blow. The ref.
Low blow. Let it go!
You
and neck.
Okay.
Oh,
He was told to let that go, but all right.
Duxie.
Oh, the
Let's
DDT.
go, crack blade. Switchblade and a mythical butt crack.
2.
What's he doing?
Oh,
Splash!
and a crossbody.
Splash!
Body press.
He's going to pin the champ.
1.
No.
Let him go.
What?
Oh, and some vicious punches. Just...
I think he just wants to punish. The veteran ReduX just wants to punish.
Oh!
I felt that from here. My boob hurts.
How many times
Back
has
in
that
the
butt
ring.
crack showed in the match? I'm actually concerned.
1.
Television.
2.
Wind him up.
Oh, here we go.
Centimetre perfect like Dennis Cometti, mate.
Down,
Oh! He's out.
that's called the drop kick. Super goal.
Back in the ring.
Looks like Duxie's got him.
1.
Dux arguing.
Over there! A giraffe!
What?
Low blow.
They're disqualifying. Just disqualifying.
His ref's too lenient.
I had to let his go, so they both got 1 warning each.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
This is the fairest ref we've had.
Okay, we need more of this guy.
I feel
I
like
think you should just-
Switchblade. No, don't do it, Switch.
Look at it.
Here we go. Pedigree. That's
And
it.
he rolled out of the ring. He's rolled out of the ring, so we can't pin him.
1.
I think that's where Switchblade's going wrong. You can't keep him in the ring, and that's why you can't.
Yeah, well, it was either that or ReduX knew where he was
3.
and knew exactly what he was going to do when he was hit with the move. That's why he's a Hall of Famer.
Dux is the genius after all.
What's he going to do?
Sweet
He's
shit.
not going to go for a stomp. Oh, he got the stomp. He got the stomp. The curb stomp. Just pin him. Dux is again rolls out of the ring.
Switchblade's feeling it. That's he just can't.
He
get
just
that
rolls out
in.
of the ring.
Ref on a slow count, which is good. Duxie getting some momentum back.
3.
Looks like the fans are pretty attentive to this one.
4. 5.
Who's going to make it back in the ring first? Switchblade
Switchblade's
back
in
into the
there.
ring first.
Duxie's. I think Duxie's hurt his ankle.
Can you continue?
What's he going to do? Dux a headbutt. No.
Misses it.
Wait a second. He's got him. Switchblade caught him. He's got him in a triangle choke.
Triangle hold.
He's got him in a triangle choke.
Tap out. Don't
He's going to tap out. This Dux going to tap out. He's in the middle of the ring. He's in the middle of the ring.
Switchblade the one.
Come on, Ducks.
Wait, he was about to tap.
He's in the middle of the ring. He's got nowhere to go.
See a destructive move here.
Come on, Ducks.
Duxie's
He's got
gone.
nowhere to go.
Ref should really be checking his arm to see if he's awake.
Ah.
Oh, he's still alive. Which is
Is he
good.
going to tap?
Oh, he's out.
He broke out of it. The Dux broke out of it. And now he just wants to pound the crap out of Switchblade. Oh, right across the chest. And the back this time.
Miyagi, son! You ready?
What?
Stand up.
What? What? It is...
Woo!
1. 2. 3. Back in the ring. 4. Back in the ring.
This could be it. A nonchalant pin. It should be...
Come on, it's a pin!
1. 2.
He kicked out before 3.
Is that really smart?
2.
Bit of a nonchalant
You'd
pin.
think working for the government and being from such a prestigious state such as Ballarat, think you'd know better. You'd know better.
England is my city.
Switchblade has to pull out all the stops. He wants to win here.
One.
I don't think we've seen Switchblade in this much trouble since his match with Elhammer.
Three.
That's a good point.
4.
But remember, that match lasted less than 8 minutes.
Very true, very true. But I think this is less trouble that he's been in.
And Switchblade's a changed person since then.
He's learned how to
Probably for the better. He's up on his feet.
Oh,
Up on his feet.
there we
Clothesline.
go.
A lariat.
Switchblade's going for it.
Superman.
Switchblades. Is that a Jason Nex reference? Whoa!
He got it. He got all of it. But the trouble is, Dux is on the outside. You can't pin him out on the outside.
Let's see if we can do the same.
Oh, here he goes.
Oh no.
The Britney Spear. Are we going to see the Britney Spear?
Can Switchblade hit it?
Haven't seen the hit for a while. Dux is trying to get up.
I don't think this match can continue.
Ref should be counting. They're both on the outside.
1.
Wait, Switch go for it.
Here we go. Britney Spear. Britney Spear. He's in the ring. Pin him.
Steamroll.
Pin him.
1, 2, 3.
That's it.
Switchblade gets a victory.
And your winner,
And your winner.
Switchblade. Big win for Switchblade. Big win. The man with the invisible belt. Hashtag champ. Oh, we're going to see some respect. Extending his hand to the veteran, ReduX. Oh,
With the revenge.
that's yep. You want a handshake? That's what you get from ReduX.